Dr. J. Shivakumar, Principal of Hyderabad Institute of Technology and Management, working as a professor in the Department of Mechanical Engineering, had completed his PhD from IIT Kharagpur in the Department of Mechanical Engineering in 2008, and he had 30 years of teaching experience and published so many national and international journals and received best awards.
If you want to do engineering rather than studying engineering, choose Mechanical Engineering Department at HITAM.
Dr. Sriyamlu Munagala, Professor and HOD of Mechanical Engineering Department at HITAM, had completed total 20 years of experience in teaching.
The department has well-equipped laboratories and centers of excellence in robotics, product design and composite materials. If you want to become confident and competent engineer in the society, choose mechanical engineering in HITAM.
Infrastructure is good, laboratories are good, and faculties are well experienced. So then we have to choose which path. The best path only we have to choose. The best path is Department of Mechanical Engineering, and that is in HITAM. All the best.
What the world is running behind the passion. All the people are looking for practical oriented. The main motto of HITAM is doing engineering. That is possible only from mechanical engineering. Choose mechanical engineering. Find your path. All the best.
Mechanical engineering is known as mother of all engineering branches. So whatever you are seeing in and around, it's all coming from mechanical only. So here in mechanical we believe doing engineering rather than simply studying engineering. And we have HITAM Motorsports Club, we have ISNT Club, we have NPTEL local chapter. All you need to do is simply focus, and we are here to guide you on all aspects.
Hello students, welcome to the world of engineering. Here at HITAM, we make you competent in your careers and contribute to the society. Without mechanical engineering, physics is just a theory. So welcome to doing engineering, welcome to
If
HITAM.
you want to create wonders in the universe, choose mechanical engineering at HITAM.
Hello everyone, I'm Santosh Kumar from Mechanical Engineering Department. If you want to feel the engineering, if you want to do the engineering, then choose the lively branch Mechanical Engineering Department at HITAM. Thank you.
Hello everyone, welcome to the Mechanical Department. In Mechanical Department, we'll make a student ready for the industry and match to the level of Industrial Revolution 4.0. So, and here we'll be teaching advanced technologies so that a student will be get ready for the industry and need not to worry about what actually happen in the industry. So in an HITAM, it's the best platform where students will come across with modern technologies and they'll learn and they'll execute and make it happen. Thank you.
People think there are no mechanical jobs at all, but HITAM students proved it wrong because they trained very well on the softwares related to the mechanical engineering, and they got placed in manufacturing industries, automobile industries and core companies and all. So those who are aspiring to become mechanical engineer, welcome on. There are lots of jobs awaiting for you. All the best.